My name is Curt Goering. I'm the Executive Director of the Center for Victims of Torture, and my CGI commitment is rebuilding lives, extending care to torture survivors in Jordan. CVT's commitment is to provide mental health services to torture survivors, Syrian torture survivors in Jordan through our clinics, and also to provide training to professionals, Arabic-speaking physical therapist professionals and counseling professionals. CVT will treat individually over the next 3 years at least 675 individuals, and we will train and mentor and support a further 8 mental health professionals, counseling and physical therapists. We also anticipate that between 2,700 and 3,000 individuals will indirectly benefit from their family members receiving the direct torture treatment. And through this, we expect to help rebuild the lives and restore the hope of some 3,500 to 4,000 individuals over the next 3 years.